Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Grammar Made Simple with me, Cassie. Today, we'll be diving into lesson 2 of common grammar mistakes. We'll be focusing on your versus your, whose versus whose. Hey, let's make it simple. Your versus your. What is the difference? Your, which is Y-O-U-R, shows ownership. Examples. Number 1. Your book is on the desk. Number 2. Is this your car? Yes, Y-O-U-R. Your shows ownership. Here's an easy trick. Your means it belongs to you. Ownership. Next, Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. Your. Your is a contraction. It means you are. So your, which is Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, is the shorter version for you are. Examples. Number 1, you're doing great. Number 2, you're learning grammar. Good job. Here's an easy trick to remember it. Can you replace it with you are? If yes, use your. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. And remember, your Y-O-U apostrophe R-E is known as a contraction. It's a shorter version of you are. Here's a quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A, you're amazing. That's Y-O-U-R. Or B, you're amazing. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. Which one is correct? That's right. The answer is you're amazing. Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. Because you're equals you are. That's Y-O-U apostrophe R-E. And it's a contraction. Quick review. Your, which is Y-O-U-R, means that something belongs to you. Your, which is Y-O-U apostrophe R-E, is a shortened form for you are. A contraction. Next, we'll move on to whose versus whose. What's the difference? First, we'll start with whose, which is W-H-O apostrophe S. Whose is a contraction. It means who his or who has. Whose. Examples. Number 1, who's at the door? That's who is at the door. Number 2, who's finished their homework? Who has finished their homework? Good job. Easy trick. If you replace it with who his or who has, just use whose. Yep. Next, we have whose. W-H-O-S-E. Whose shows ownership. It asks, who does it belong to? Examples. 1, whose car is parked outside? 2, Whose dog is barking? Here's an easy trick to remember whose. Think. Whose, WHOSE, equals belongs to whom. It's like you're asking a question. Whom does this belong to? Whose child is this? Whose bag is this? Whose cell phone is this? Whose means belonging to whom. Quick quiz. Which sentence is correct? A. Whose backpack is this? WHO'S. Or B. Whose backpack is this? WHOSE. Comment your answers below. Quick review. Whose, WHO'S, equals who his or who has. Whose, WHOSE, shows ownership. Summary. Your, YOUR, is equal to ownership, like your book, while your, YOU'Re, is equal to you are, your kind. Whose, WHO'S, who his or who has. And lastly, we have whose, WHOSE, which links to ownership. Whose bag? Whom does this thing belong to? And that's the end of our lesson for today with Grammar Made Simple. Remember, it can be hard to remember what context to use a particular word in, but practice makes perfect. Hit that subscribe button and follow us for more mini grammar lessons. Au revoir!